Okay, so now let's discuss data selection in DataFrame. Recall that a data frame acts in many ways like a two-dimensional or structured array, and in other ways like a dictionary of series structures sharing the same index. These analogies can be helpful to keep in mind as we explore data selection within this structure. Now, starting off with data frame as a dictionary. So the first analogy we will consider is the data frame as a dictionary of related series objects. Let's return to our example of areas and population of states. Now, I guess where we can go to our old file. Now let's wait. And okay, so now we made it into the previous file where we made area and population. Let's see what we need for today's lecture. Okay, so now we have to copy we can copy this. Now let's post it here. Making few changes. Area dot pd dot series. Now first move all here. Now enter after Texas. Now enter after Florida. Now we got this. Now we have to copy this all and we have to paste it again, but here area is equal to, but now here we will write pop, that is population, is equal to data is equal to pd dot data frame area pop, this is for population, pop. Now we got an error here. I guess so we should continue that in the previous file. Let's see if we can run here. we're getting an error here as well. So let's wait and fix the error. Is equals to pd.series. We got this. Pop is equals to pd.series. I don't know why we put the brackets here. I put is equals to here. That's just kind of dumb. Now we are going to we got an error again. Now we have to fix again. So we can copy that down and trying to paste here. We got an error here as well in 3rd Illinois. Going to fix that. You have to look at the brackets. Oh, I guess we did a mistake, because here the numbers will be different. The number for California here will be 38332521, and here there will be 423967. So we have to change the numbers here. It's in Texas it is 6956662, and for New York it is 141297. And for Florida we got 170312, and for Illinois we got 14995, and rest will remain the same. Now let's try it. We are getting an error again. Now let's fix that up. I hope that's now. Yes. We are getting an error again. Too many bugs, but don't worry. As well. 3rd Illinois. I don't know why it's getting an error in here in Illinois. I guess that must be fixed now. 14995. Yeah, we're getting the same answer. Okay, so I guess we didn't make dictionary. So first we will make the dictionary. Area dictionary is equals to, this is from the previous we saved here. So now we will fix this, because we copied that down the last file and we pasted here, and we missed the numbers. The numbers remain the same, the one we copied. That's the mistake we made. Now let's fix the numbers from here. For California it is this one. For Texas, this one. For New York, this one. For Florida, this one. Oh, sorry. Florida, this one. And for Illinois, this one. So now we will run this. I guess we should run it in the previous lecture. Not calibrable? I don't think so. What's the error here? What's the issue here? I guess we're stuck in here as well. I guess we should run the code here. We're getting errors. We're getting errors. Now what we will do, we will restart the kernel. Now we will enter. We got this now. So we got this, and ultimately we got the result this. So I guess we were having the trouble with the kernel. Now what should we do? Let's continue further. Okay, so now we're done with this. Now the individual series that make up the columns of the data frame can be accessed via dictionary style indexing of the column name. We got this. So equivalently, we can use attribute style access with column names that are strings. This attribute style column actually accesses the exact same object as the dictionary style access. Data dot area is true. So though this is a useful shorthand, keep in mind that it does not work for all cases. For example, if the column names are not strings, or if the column names conflict with methods of the data frame, this attribute style access is not possible. For example, the data frame has a pop method for the population, so data.pop will point to this rather than the pop column. Now let's look at it. It will result in false. So in particular, you should avoid the temptation to try column assignment via attribute, that is use data, this one. That is use data pop is equal to 0 rather than data.popc. So like with the series objects discussed earlier, this dictionary style syntax can also be used to modify the object. In this case, to add a new column, data density equal to data pop data area. Now we're getting the result. This is this. So this shows a preview of the straightforward syntax of element by element arithmetic between series objects. We'll dig into this further later on.